Oh, Mickey!
It's our friend, Clarabelle Cow. Hi, Clarabelle.
Oh, hello there, everyone.
Saya, what's Clarabelle holding in her hands? A puppy dog, right! And it's such a cute puppy. What's your puppy's name, Clarabelle?
Her name is Bella.
Gosh, what a swell name. Hi, Bella.
How convenient. Enter omniscient monkey right on cue.
Well, you know what they say. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
That's it. No more fortune cookies for you.
I'm getting my hooves done. Would you mind puppy sitting Bella while I'm gone?
We'd love to.
No, thank you. Now, here's my list for taking care of Bella. Number 1, play fetch with her.
Fetch!
Number 2, give her a nice bubbly bath.
Bath!
Number 3, feed her lunch.
Lunch!
And number 4, sing her to sleep for her nap.
Nap! Fetch. Bath. Lunch. Nap!
I'll be back as soon as I can, my little snookums. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, Clarabelle.